Smart computers, check. Smartphones, check. Smartwatches, check. Smart pumps? Well, is that even possible? If you are a pump manufacturer or a pump rental firm, you would be well aware of the costs and problems associated with pump monitoring. Because most industrial pumps are situated in such extreme locations, it is extremely difficult to monitor their performance physically. That is why 80% of the times a problem is detected only after unpredicted downtime has already occurred. So in cases of industrial pumps which are functioning in, let's say, mining industries or heavy industries, even a slight downtime can actually make the entire production process go haywire and diminish the top line revenue. So basically what happens is that suppose a pump has a downtime, then the maintenance crew is called in, they come and physically inspect the pump and then decide whether it needs a repair or it needs a replacement. So do you see the amount of time, cost and resources that are involved? So since these challenges are omnipresent for any pump manufacturer or rental firm, to gain a competitive advantage in the market, it becomes extremely important for them to negate these challenges. So how do we propose to do that? Well, at Gowitek, we have developed an IIoT solution that is able to remotely monitor pump performance parameters such as vibrations, sensors, impeller damage and more, so as to give predictive downtime alerts. In addition to this, it is also able to detect things such as voltage fluctuations, which could be an indication of unnecessary starts, then electricity consumption and many more things. So this helps many companies who are manufacturing pumps or pump rental firms not only to provide a better maintenance plan, but also to help them detect warranty fraud and also to come up with a better pricing model for rental pumps. Would you like to know more about how exactly this particular IIoT solution functions? Well, you could drop us a mail at contact@gowitek.com. You could also drop a comment below. You could visit us at www.gowitek.com. We are looking forward to hear from you.